Good morning, students. Today we do activity 4 word problem of lesson number 15 money. So let's start with the first word problem. First word problem is a calculator cost rupees 415.50 paisa. You have to find the cost of 4 calculator. They have given you the cost of one calculator, that is rupees 415.50 paisa, and you have to find the cost of 4 calculator. It means if the one thing a cost given and you have to find out for what to do, in that case you have to multiply, because when you are finding many things, in that case students, we always do m for money many and m for multiply. So when we do multiplication, so see how we do. Firstly, understand the statement, how we make a statement of it. A calculator cost rupees 415.50 means cost of, we are talking about cost, so statement will be start from cost only. Cost of a calculator is rupees 415.50. Cost of 4 calculators means many you are finding, what do you do? Multiply. 415.50 rupees multiply by 4. This will be a statement. See, cost of one calculator, then cost of 4 calculator, then we multiply. How we multiply? 4 zeros are 0, because when we multiply any number by 0 we get 0 only. Then 4 5s are 20, so 0 will come here and 2 will be carry forward to next number. So next number is 5. Above 5 we have written 2. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So 2 I have written here and 2 go to 1. Clear? Now 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. Then 4 fours are 16. So I will write 16. When we do multiplication, we will do multiplication as we do simple multiplication. We will not see dot. After doing multiplication, students, what we have to do, we put a dot. See, here dot is after 2 digits, means after 0 and 5, then I put the dot. So from the back side I put a dot. 1 2, then dot will come here. Clear? Then we write the rupee sign also, because in money chapter rupee sign is mandatory. Then you write a hence line. Hence the cost of 4 calculator is rupees 1662. Clear? Now we do next word problem. Next word problem is Rajat earns rupees 1175 rupees 50 paisa every week. Means in 1 week he earned rupees 1175 rupees 50 paisa. You have to tell how much money he will earn in 1 month. First of all, student statement you have to understand how to make. We are talking about what? We are talking about money. Money Rajat earns in 1 week. Every week means in 1 week is rupees 1175.50. Then money he earns in 1 month. First of all, you must know that in 1 month how many weeks. Clear? So see, earning of Rajat in 1 week, we will write 1175.50. 1 month having how many weeks? 4 weeks. So you write 4. Clear? Then earning of Rajat for 4 week. What do you do? 1 week he is earning this one money. Then in 4 week how much? Means many you are finding again, so you will do multiplication again. So you multiply both the number. Decimal we will see after that. Firstly we do simple multiplication. Clear? See, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20, so 0 will come here, 2 will go on 5. 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, 2 will come here and second 2 will go on 7. Then 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So 0 will come here and 3 will go on next number. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 will come here. Then 4 ones are 4. Now we put a rupees sign. After that we see after decimal how many numbers? 2. So we will count from back side 2 number, then we put a dot. 1, 2, then I put the dot here. Clear? So hence line will be the last line. Hence Rajat earned rupees 4702 in 4 weeks. 4 weeks means in 1 month. Clear this thing? Now I will explain you question number 3. Question number 3 is, my mother paid rupees 962 for 4 shirt. Now many shirt cost is given. Now many is given first and you have to find of one. When you are doing many to one, you always do divide. When you do one to many, you always do multiply. Keep this thing in mind. Now we are going from many to one. Mother paid this one money for 4 shirt, mean cost of, we are talking about cost, so we write cost of 4 shirt is rupees 962. Then you have to write cost of each shirt. Each means one shirt is rupees. What do you do when one you are finding? Divide. You do 962, you have to divide by 4. You will do simple division. See how we do. Firstly, I have written cost of 4 shirts, then cost of each shirts I have written, then I will divide it. How we divide? In 4 table we see which number come closer to 9, that is 8. So I have written 2 over here and 8 down of 9. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 is smaller than 4. What I do? I take 6 down. It is 16. In 4 table 16 come at 4, so I have taken 4 over here and 16 down of 16. Then I minus it. Now answer comes 0. So what I do? I take another number from up. I have taken 2 down. Now in 4 table which number comes smaller than 2? That is 0, because 4 zeros are 0. So I have kept 0 over here and 1 0 down of 2. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. Now numbers are finished. What I do, students, now see, when number finish and statement question not divisible, in that case what do? You put a dot, one here, clear, and one dot here, clear. After that you take how many zeros you require, you can take. I have taken 1 0 and this 0 I will carry forward, mean I will take down. Now it becomes 20. Now in 4 table 20 come at 5, so I have taken 5 over here and 20 down of 20. Then I minus it. 20 minus 20 is 0, so I stop. So we write a hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence the cost of each shirt is rupees 240.5. You can put a 0 also, clear, at the end. It is also correct, and without 0 is also correct. Clear this thing? Now I will explain you question number 4. Question number 4 is, I bought 6 bed sheets for rupees 1263. You have to find the cost of each bed sheet if they all are same. It means 6 bed sheet cost is given. Again many is given and you have to find of one bed sheet. So many ratio to 1, if you are doing, what to do? You do divide. Clear? So see. Firstly we write cost of 6 bed sheet. Then I write cost of each bed sheets. Clear? Then I do divide. 6 2s are 12. So I have written 12 down of 12. Then I will take 6 down. Again 6 1s are 6. So I have written 1 over here and 6 down of 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Now I will carry forward 3. In 6 table which number comes smaller than 3? 0. So I have written 0 over here. Clear? And 1 0 here. 3 minus 0 is again 3. Now numbers finish here in the dividend. What do? You put a dot here, 1 dot over here and 1 dot over here. Clear? And take 1 0. And this 0 you carry forward. It become 30 now. 6 table 30 come at 5. So you write 5 over here and 30 down of 30. Then you minus it. You get 0. Now you stop. Now you write a hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence the cost of each bed sheet is rupees 210.5. You can put a 0 also. If you put, then also it is correct. Rupees 210.50 paisa. Clear this thing? So thank you students and have a nice day.